say. And now to the next list, which are more Oda Series 1. And sorry for the delay, because I had an error, which has really the winter vestures. This is a part of the Otis list. But he replaced the other wave backs with being grey. 36. Yeah, 56. And now to the next list, which are more Oda Series 1. '64. And now to the next list, which are more Oda Series 1. And now we are going up to the top floor. Now 72. I know this building is some kind of strange. I just played this building in the past, but I now have all of the textures that I need. In the meantime, and now to the next lift, which is the service lift. And to go up to the spooky. Here it is. Roof and to close the door. This is the roof, and here we are at very tall. Here's the roof. I used to like this since I was playing Thaddeus. This is the going down. Now let's get back to the lift. Wait, this used to be a service cab, but in the normal that's the original main cab. This is so dumb. Here we are in the local lobby. And it has the woo-woo. It is so fancy. I'm sorry. These is the lifts. Time for explore. Here the back to the lifts. To the fourth lift, which is also known as the second lift. Lobby. Yeah, back in lobby. Time for an explore. This is the glass shower of the lifts that are the first lifts. And now, here we are at the final lifts. These are the lifts that goes up until 8. 8. Now let's get back to the lobby. Here we're back in the lobby. Anyways guys, thanks for watching the entire tour of the Reese building in Melvin's version. Please don't forget to rate, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel.